Hey T Squad, it's your girl Tiana, and today video I'm showing you guys how to make a thumbnails for beginners. So we're gonna go to Safari and find a background that you like. I like this background, so I'm gonna use this one. So now I'm going to go to picture art, and you know what you do at picture art, you gotta take away your background and all that. So I'm going to take away my background from the photo that I picked. I like this photo, so I'm going to use this photo, this exact photo. So I'm going to take away the background. So I'll let you guys see how I do it. I'll play a little chill music while I'm doing this. So hope you guys like it. Okay, so I'm still gonna try to fix up like the picture so I could delete half of the background. I don't want the background in my photo. I just want to make it look perfect, like for my thumbnail picture. Like I'm just trying to make it look perfect. So I'm just gonna fix it up and all that so I can have a great picture for you guys. So I'm not almost done. I still gotta make it look good. So I'm gonna play some more music for you guys, and I will get back with you guys when I'm almost done with the editing part. I'm back, guys. So you see the little messed up thing I have in the back? So I have to fix that. So I'm gonna go back and do it again. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not about to delete it and do it again. I'm just gonna do the same thing. It says cut out. Whatever it says, I can like change it. So I'm gonna change it and make it look like it's good. Don't make it look like it is gonna be good. Like no looking like it's going to be good. Period. So let me keep trying to edit it because I want my thing to look cute for you guys. So let's keep doing our best till we're done. So I'm gonna play some more chill music for you guys because I don't want to do a lot of talking. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing, but I'm gonna still be talking to you guys. So let me go. Peace, guys. Not peace, like the video's over, but like, peace, guys. Oh, never mind. I am done. So I'm going to save my picture. Hope you guys like it at the end. So since we're finished on the picture, we're going to go to the Phonto app. When you go to the Phonto app, click on the little camera thing below and then go to the black little background. And then you're going to push on full black, just like that. And then you're going to go down to where it says 1702x828. Then you're going to go to your picture that you want to do as your background and put it as your background. You're going to start with that background first. So I'm going to crop my background out and be back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna I put my picture in my background. Not in the background, like, but I'm going to put the picture in front of the background so it can look right for my little picture I'm doing for you guys. So I'm going to start cropping my little picture out to make it look right and stuff like that. So you guys will be like, dang, that was so easy to do. But some people, it takes time for some people. It really do. And then some people know how to do it. Like, they know how to make thumbnails, like, quick. But some people don't. And that's okay if you don't. You really learn. So, let's get into I don't know, I'm just talking. So, okay. So, now I'm going to do my letters and stuff like that. I'm put how to make a thumbnail. And I'm going to use probably 2 emojis. Probably. I'm going to use those little 2 emojis, little heart emoji and stuff. And I'm gonna, like, you could change your letters, how you style your letters. You could change that. So if you want to change it, you can. If you don't, like, if you click on it and you like that one that it clicked on for you, then you could keep it. But I'm going to, like, show you guys different styles, but I'm gonna keep the one that I clicked on, that they had clicked on for me. So hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. I'm just gonna try to fix it up, and now I'm just gonna like change the like color of my text. I'm gonna like use black and gray. I think that'll be cute. Black and gray with the little 2 emojis. So if you want it like to look like, let me see, thicker or something like that, if that's how I'm trying to say it, but go to stroke and like make it a little bigger. Like, you'll see in the video how I did it, because I don't know how to explain it like that. So please just keep watching. So I'm done. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys save it so you'll be able to look back at it. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up. Love you guys. Peace.